Welcome to the visualfractions.com YouTube channel, and in this tutorial, we're going to explore how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/99th by 1/98th. In this instance, we have two fractions, the first with a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 99, and the second with a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 98. Multiplying fractions requires you to multiply the numerators together and then the denominators. Let's go through the steps. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 equals 1. Multiply the denominators. 99 times 98 equals 9,702. So, when you multiply 1/99th by 1/98th, the result is 1/9702. That's your final answer. Note that 1/9702 is already in its simplest form, as the numerator and denominator are both prime numbers relative to each other. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to multiply 1/99th by 1/98th. It's as straightforward as that. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thank you for watching.